What the heck?
Yes! Did he come back for it?
It was tight, but like there was, yeah, I guess there was like hidden slack that I didn't know about, and I never moved him. Yeah. I don't think they're...
Why is everything you find little things?
Yeah, big. It's big, dude. I thought it was a log.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?
Dude, I haven't moved him.
Dude, that's a 10-pounder.
He's a...
Is that fast?
Not a giant. Oh, that's a good one.
I mean, it's a nice one.
It's a decent one. Its head is like bigger than it... Dude, he's not... I don't think we'll cull him. Should I put a cull tag on him?
What is it?
3 3/4. It's a nice one.
What is it? 3.5?
3.8.
Oh my god. They're cooling.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Are they still going?
Yeah, I got one. I got like the littlest one, I think. No, I don't. Oh, dude, I can't pull him. This is a good one. I can't even move this thing. No, he's not.
No, it's like a 4. It's good.
It's a good one. I don't think we'll call him. I don't know.
You never know.
He's not a 5-pounder. I casted and like right when you said they're schooling, my bait hit the water and they started blowing up. I was like, whoa.
Did you see them on the graph start schooling?
No.
I saw like 3 fish go like. Whoosh.
Dude, they're all 3-pounders.
How big is it?
3-0.
So
Oh, yep, that's up. Yeah, boy. Oh my gosh. What the heck are you doing, bro? Thank you.
It takes like so long to eat it.
Oh, he's a dink. Yeah, they have to like really think about it. It's okay, it's okay.
These bass aren't monkeys. That one was a monkey.
That's an absolute try. Look at that. It's a bass. It's an iconic bass. He's a bass.
That worm won like $100,000 tournament on this one. That's one of the big ones. Hey, keep it down. This is amazing.
Yeah, for real.
That was that big blob down there. Came out of the tree. How big do you think it is? Like 3 pounds?
Close to 4, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pulling him.
Dude, that looks like a good one.
No, he's just fat. I think I'll call. We fight so hard, goodness gracious.
Alright. I mean, it's a nice one.
It's a decent one. Dude, that's an iconic bass. What is this? Dude, it's like a... It's a mean mouth. Look at how stout he is.
It's amazing. Oh, that guy's been...
Dude, he has been eating. Dude,
Look
at how thick the rim of his mouth is.
That guy is dense. That's why he was shining so bright on live scope.
Dude, that guy could weigh 4.
Wait.
Oh.
3.
Put him in. Thank you for participating. Oh, son. Oh, son. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah! Well, get the one that wasn't... Which one wasn't doing so well?
It's the dark dink. I'll get him. You keep...
Yeah, just switch the cult.
Oh shoot. Dang, I thought that was gonna be a big one. You see how it's going?
He's 1.68. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
I think one time.
Tommy with another one.
Can you chase it? Pull on it, pull on it.
I hope it's
Hold
big.
on, hold on, that's a big.
He's a giant.
Oh.
What's wrong?
I got you hyped up.
Yeah.
You thought it was
So
nine.
cool.
Did you just catch it on the tree?
Yeah, I just was I did like 5 blind casts on the tree.
Oh my goodness. Oh god. Oh god. Play him, please play him, please play him. That looks like a nice one on last one. Oh, that's a good one. Is it actually?
I don't know. It's not fighting that hard. Wow. Whoa, dude. He's like, he doesn't fight at all. Oh, now he does. Oh, it's a good one.
I mean, it's a nice one.
Yeah, that's more than 1 and a half.
He's 2. He's long.
1 3/4.
You're right. You're on the top.
3. Oh, close to 3. 2.9 basically. Whoa, dude, it's so clear. And they're bass and they're living. I'm just gonna intercept. That's right.
Oh, go ahead.
Come on, I was in there.
Was that just your bait though?
My bait was still left of him.
Oh wait, actually that was a fish?
That is.
God.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh my gosh!
Yo, no, that's a 3, maybe 4.
That was bigger than
Oh
that.
no, no.
Nice job. Into the school.
Oh okay, he's okay, he's okay.
That's awesome. You guys saw it blow up just like that.
What the heck is that? That thing is huge.
Keep my bait out of the net because I see more fish down there.
We'll fizz it after this. Oh yeah, he calls the little guy, but he's